Okay, a quick video showing how to do some simple calculations in Excel. We have a table of data here which we're going to use to calculate BMI values. I've got a column for height in meters and a column for the weight in kilograms. And we're going to add a third column for the BMI. BMI is calculated based on this formula here, the weight divided by the square of the height. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is just always, things we always do when we put in a calculation, is put an equal sign. So we tell in Excel we're doing a calculation. We open a bracket here. You often have to use a bit of BODMAS, otherwise Excel gets a bit confused. What we want here again is the weight, which is that value there, column in C, the value in C20, divided by the height. But we don't just the height, we want the height squared. Now this is slightly peculiar, if you've never seen this before in Excel. I'm going to put in a little hat symbol there. And the little hat symbol there just means the square of the value in B20. So click on the tick button and it automatically calculates it for us. Now we don't have to do it for the rest of the cells. All we can do is just grab hold of the little button on the corner and pull down. It'll fill in the numbers automatically for us. Right, now something else we should think about is the number of significant figures after the decimal point. We'll notice the maximum number of significant figures we have over here are 3. I think it's probably reasonable to have 4 significant figures here. So what we're going to do is select that data, right click, then go to Format Cells. Now come up with this little dialog and move it there so we can see it. There's a number of things you can do in here, but the thing we're interested in at the moment is number. It automatically, when you ask it, it sets it to 2 decimal places. So we accept that and we click on OK, and we'll see that we've now got some nice, probably easy to read numbers and probably a bit more valid in terms of the data. So there it is. That was just a short introduction to using calculations in Excel.